Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the sequence and clicking the program monitor so Premiere knows which panel to enlarge. Once done, lower playback resolution to 1/2 or 1/4 to avoid dropped frames during preview. You should also check keyboard shortcuts and assign a toggle full screen key if none exists. That makes the rest faster. Make sure the program monitor has focus before trying shortcuts, because the command only affects the active panel and not the entire UI. You can enter full screen from the program monitor menu by choosing Toggle Full Screen, which removes panels and fills your display. Alternatively, press the /tilde key, tilde, or whichever shortcut you assigned. This is faster for repeated checks. Once full screen, hit space to play and use L for shuttle control to scan frames. Make sure playback resolution and GPU acceleration are set correctly, so the preview reflects final timing without stutter. You exit full screen by pressing the same Toggle Full Screen key or using the Program Monitor menu, then confirm edits in the timeline. If the preview stutters, switch renderer to software only or lower playback resolution to maintain real-time playback, because GPU or drivers can cause frame drops. Also render into out for heavy effects to see accurate results. If nothing changes, restart Premiere and update GPU drivers. This fixes most display and performance-related issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.